Well, we love our Corvettes here at buyavette.net, but we also love classic muscle cars, and this is one of those. This is going to be a very special car for someone to take home. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro COPO Tribute Coupe. Now, COPO, some of us may not know what that actually means. It's an acronym that stands for Central Office Production Order. It was a system that allowed Chevrolet dealers to order cars with features not available as regular production options, and that is one of these cars in a Tribute Coupe. So this is going to be a fun car to have. It really is stunning. Boy, this takes us back. It really does. It really does. Silver on the exterior, red vinyl interior, period correct, 425 horsepower, 427 cubic inch engine, Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt rear end with 4.10 gear ratio. Features include power front disc brakes, special ducted hood, tachometer, rear bumper guards, radio delete, featuring a 427 cubic inch engine and 4-speed manual transmission. This is a body-off, restored 1969 Camaro COPO Tribute, and it is in nice condition and offers the looks of a real COPO car at the fraction of the price. It shows just 173 miles since its restoration, and this car's paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. The chrome bumpers show a very good finish, and weather stripping and taillights are very good as well. It has correct steel wheels and hubcaps. They're in place, and it has those Firestone Wide Oval bias-ply raised letter white tires. The interior of this 69 Camaro shows very good seats, carpet, door panels, dash pad, and good condition GM seat belts. Under the dash, oil pressure and water temperature gauges have been added, and the 427 cubic inch engine shows a COPO correct casting number and a casting date of January 2nd, 1969, final assembly on March 19th. This has the MN suffix as well. Correct air cleaner, valve covers, radiator hoses, hose clamps, they're all in place. The frame is solid and rust-free. So give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We can put this car in your driveway much less expensive than you could ever imagine anywhere in the country. Remember, we are an online dealership. You can always come in and see the large inventory of Corvettes and classic cars we have, but you can also shop with ease online, and we always tell you with confidence. You can shop online with confidence with us. So give us one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. When you do, you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Stop in and see us or give us a call today.